Hey, welcome back again to my channel. And I know this video is after so long, but I was quite busy with the life, so I couldn't shoot a single video. But now I'm back, so let's start. So today we are going to unbox this parcel. This parcel is from MyGlam Live Glamorous, and inside this box there is a makeup product. So what's exactly it is? Let's open and find out. So exactly what's this? So see over here, it is a eyeshadow palette of 12 eyeshadow and a foundation stick. So the product which I was talking that is for ₹1 is this eyeshadow palette. Nude Crew is the name of the palette, and this is the one more product which I added to the cart to get the shipping free, which is the foundation stick. And it is so small. I didn't expected that the product will be this small, but okay. Let's see if the shade is correct or not. I ordered of my skin tone, my shade, and yes, it is perfect match of my skin tone. See? It is perfectly matching, and I guess this is a good news because ordering foundation online is a kind of risk, because if the shade is not matched to the preferable skin for whom you are buying, then the whole money is wasted if the shade of foundation is not perfectly matched with your skin tone. So it is so important that you select the right shade and you order the right shade of foundation. So yes, this shade is perfectly matched to my skin tone, and the name of the shade is Warm Sand. They haven't given the number, but the name is Warm Sand and it is perfectly matched to my skin tone. And now our main product, the eyeshadow palette. Because of this we got all this parcel, the product in ₹1. So let's open this and see how it is. So these are the shades. We all have the shades of brown over here, so it's kind of nude palette. And we have here 12 colors. And let's see the swatches of the eyeshadow. It is super soft, and yes, it is pigmented. See, this I will show you. See over here, they are pigmented. Can you see? Means yeah, they are soft, they are blendable, and they are pigmented. And yeah, the size is small, but for daily use, let's apply this eyeshadow. So first I will start with this dark brown. Right now I don't have a mirror to see, so I'm just seeing in the screen and I'm applying with my finger only. And it's sometimes fun to apply your eyeshadow by your fingers. It's like painting on the canvas. And I'm applying directly. I haven't applied concealer or something like that, or a eyeshadow base. So it might not show the bright color or the original color, because we haven't applied base. Is it visible or no? I'm just applying to my outer corners of the eye and blending it towards the inner corner of the eyes. And now we'll apply some shimmer. Wow, just look at that shimmer. Isn't it looking pretty? Yes, I like that. See, I have applied just one swatch and their eyes are looking pretty. So yes, I do like this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use it on a daily basis because the colors are pigmented and the colors are nude, so you can wear it on daily basis. So yes. So this is the end of the video, and let me know in the comments that which product you like the most, the eyeshadow palette or the foundation stick. And yes, do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And for now, bye bye, see you soon and take care.